Hello and welcome to this release update. We have some exciting new features and major improvements to share with you today. First up is one of our biggest new features, the Hot Promote tool, currently in its alpha version. This feature makes it incredibly easy to migrate and promote changes between models. You can use it to move data from model to model, model to Git, or even Git to Git. In this release now, you can test the model to model compare. For example, let's compare a standard model with a model. Simply select your source model and click the hot promote icon. Your source is automatically selected. Then you just choose your target, in this case, a model. Once you click Start Compare, the process runs asynchronously in the background, meaning you can continue working in the system while it processes. When the comparison is ready, simply click Done to navigate to the comparison screen. Here, changes are clearly color-coded: green for additions, red for deletions, and yellow for modifications. You can drill down into specific areas like rules or processes to see a detailed side-by-side view of the source and target code. If there are specific changes you don't want to promote, you can easily uncheck them. You can even save your exact selection of checked items as a filter, for example, naming it Test, so you can quickly load that exact configuration later. When you are happy with your selection, just click Execute Changes to finalize the promotion. As this is an alpha release, we will be continually refining and improving this feature in upcoming updates. Next, let's look at the Scripts tab. We have introduced enhanced debugging capabilities and improved session management. You will now notice a new collapsible panel on the right side of the screen, which conveniently displays your local and global variables while you are debugging a script. Moving over to the interface builder, we've added a highly requested capability. You can now edit existing interface builder projects directly. You no longer need to delete and recreate a project to make adjustments. You can easily modify the project name, change the main page, update the framework version, or adjust the Git branch. You can also link an existing project to a Git repository retroactively by simply adding the repository URL and authentication token. Finally, we have further expanded the widget finder that we introduced in our last release. You can now perform deep searches across your application. For instance, if you want to find the word server inside the repository's JavaScript, the finder will list every widget that contains that code. You can filter this down to a specific page or switch to the new block view to inspect the actual code snippet directly within the search results. We've also introduced a powerful mass modification feature. If you want to change a property, like the skin, across multiple widgets at the same time, you can now select them all and apply the change in one click. Additionally, you can now search by repository YAML and use the plus icon to add highly specific search parameters directly from the framework's drop-down list, making it easier than ever to locate exactly what you need. That wraps up the key updates for this release. Thank you for watching.